We all have our time.
Yeah.
And destinies are different.
Yeah.
I was destined to get married at the age of 27 or 25, while yours is at 35. It's still a marriage, which is okay. It's so fine. That's what I'm saying. It's not a competition.
Exactly. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually with Kimmy. Kimmy, the popular Kimmy. Kimmy, the business lady. Yes, so Kimmy also has a YouTube channel. Her channel is actually Kimmy's Empire.
Yes.
She has great content there. She has done a lot of collab with Wodamaya, Traveler Queen, Jamaris Jenga from Kenya. So welcome, Kimmy. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, one mistake or one thing that you see common that single ladies are doing.
Single ladies, lower your expectations, honey. Please do it for me. Do it.
Okay, now this one is not conclusive. I feel like I have to ask more questions. Give me, what do you mean by we must lower expectations?
See, when we are setting
I know my standard goals. I know what I want.
I know. The reason why I'm saying we must always lower our expectations in a relationship. We don't want to end up disappointing ourselves and getting hurt throughout or throughout the process. So what happens is when you're coming in the relationship, you are hoping to get, like, as women, I don't know if we have something that is wrong in our brain or what. Why do we always want somebody's son to come and just do everything for you? Those are the type of things I'm referring to. You want to get in the relationship and just boom, you have a fancy house, you have a luxury car, those things.
He's doing everything for you.
He must do everything for you. Okay, you don't have a car. That's what I'm saying. If you want to be treated like a princess or like a queen, you start with yourself. If you might not afford it and he can afford, but at least he must be able to tell, okay, this, if she can able to do this or she likes maybe this, then I can do this for her as well. Since I can afford
more
it.
like enhance where you already
or
started.
At least your brain must help him. Men make money, but they use it. Men can make money, but they need us. They need us to decide or to help them that, see, let's use this money. You got this 20 million. So this is how we are going to multiply it or to use it so that it can last longer. Otherwise, he might just go out there and get you a G-Wagon and then a Maroc and then Fortune and then a Mansion in wherever. That's it. And that's the end of you. But how are you going to maintain it?
Exactly.
So
that's the thing.
That's the thing. So men, no matter how rich you are, you need a woman. That's why I'm saying. That's why they said you need a woman to groom you.
Yes. And
I groomed mine, honey. That's why I was
nice one. A real woman, a proper woman who knows the right thing.
Yes.
Right?
You must you see, if you want,
because you also find a man that had things and you hear that he got involved with somebody and now all of a sudden like there's nothing else, like they'll even make comments like that woman
bring if you don't, I'll kill you. No, in a relationship, don't be a blind one. Don't. You must be open wide.
You must open your eyes.
You must open your eyes.
Okay. So what things must you be looking at when you're like really checking out someone? I want to know, like, sometimes I feel like I'm watching, but I'm actually not.
The reasoning.
The reasoning. Oh, okay.
See, you are making a conversation. For that with that person, and then say Nandini Mango Shirongo Nandoko. Okay.
Make a general topic. Okay.
General topic. And then or reasoning guy, you look at that person and then not 27. Do I really want to marry a woman who reasons like this? Nobody wants such a woman.
Exactly.
What reasoning go no shilonga holi. Ototale tate wambole. Ngengo ototino kucha ake. Okay. Please give me $20. Ndama na kwe kilo kandinash. Mara na kwe kilo. Reasoning ga ilinga. Okay, you might be right, I go to it, but I'm saying kandinasha. Ndama na kwe kilo nina. No? Itashike wa ikilo nga kilo deda.
Yeah.
So, reason again we had a team of Shikacha no so patoti no Chashina Mandikiro.
Exactly.
Reason guiding up. Ununache, I know Namibian. You look. Tunigini giving them in the question. You see, Tamukopi or conversation I know on penosh no shit. Not
you must be able to relate to the other person.
Yes.
Without actually like more like shading. It feels like even shading, like because if I ask with your quarter or 20 and you say now it's more like you are shading the person. Yeah. You're actually not being mature enough to like respond to the person in a proper, mature way.
We spoke about maturity.
Yeah.
So, and then the next thing, we spoke about reasoning, right?
Yeah.
The planning. The planning, and then you must be able to solve problems. When there's a problem, you must be able to solve it. You don't leave problems unsolved. Then what? Who is coming to solve that problem?
Yeah.
You leave it there, and then you move on. You won't go anywhere. Shashi, this problem will still continue hunting you.
Yeah.
But the last time you had an issue about this man or this woman, then you just said, no, just leave it there. It wasn't me or what, and then you leave it there. In a ship, what? Shashi, somehow, fight another when you mention it. Even the last time I said, then you said, you see, in a ship, you must solve
so
problems.
You must resolve the problem
and leave it there
and finish and finalize it
and bury it
so that it doesn't arise again.
Yeah. That's
and communication is more
communication is more important. That's part of communication.
Yeah.
Communication is very important. Don't be just somebody who takes things so personal every time. You get so defensive.
As ladies, we like to be very defensive.
Yeah. They take things so personal and then they get angry and then they don't want to talk. Like, talk to yourself. Like, you will be just there talking to yourself. That's not good.
It's not good at all.
Communication. You must communicate, solve the problem, get a solution, and do whatever you have to do. You are a grown person. If you are in a relationship, you are not a child. Relationship,
yeah. So you mustn't be in a relationship if you are still immature and still not ready to face this difficult
if you don't want problems in your life, stay away from a relationship.
Yeah.
Stay away from people's daughters. Stay away from people's sons. Stay with your siblings, maybe. I don't know. Even with siblings, you have problems. Even with your own parents.
Exactly.
So how about when you're meeting somebody's child? So if you don't
even know at all, so you need to get to learn.
Exactly my point. You need to.
Yeah.
And make peace with it. More relationship
yeah. No.
Patience. We are talking about patience. You need to be patient with your partner.
Yeah.
Be patient with your partner. Be very understanding. You must support your person.
Yeah.
However, they need support, not just any type of support, but the support that I'm talking is, say, or problem.
Yeah.
Like, Nando kilongango, tampo pingana when you see, oh no, it's okay, just be fine, everything gonna be fine. Those things. And to men out there, you must get yourself a pray for a woman.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying they don't. They do it, but as women, we are likely to do it every day.
Yeah.
So every man needs a woman who prays. So, and then you must also teach your partner here and there.
Yeah.
Most of the people who think Pamwani by now, they will make such comments.
Yeah.
So when people thing, I don't know why they always conclude with vacation. I find it weird sometimes. But yes,
you must be like bonded by God. Yeah,
you should. Otherwise, it won't work. It will not end up there. It will end up in tears.
Yeah. So prayers also like really play a role in relationships.
There is no perfect relationship, guys. There is no perfect relationship. And that's why I'm saying you need to be patient.
Yeah.
Every relationship requires sacrifice. You need to listen. It needs so many things. That's what I'm saying. If you don't want stress, you don't want problems in your life, stay away from those things. Get yourself maybe a vibrator or something if you're a woman. I'm sorry, it's a joke. I'm not advising anybody to do it, but it's a personal choice. I'm just saying, if you don't want problems, stay alone.
Yes.
Just have friends maybe, but don't get to a point of wanting to have somebody. It's not for anybody if you're not ready.
Yeah, if your reasoning is actually not in the right place. Because sometimes you want a man, like you say, you want a man, but all your reasoning is just maybe because someone else, your friends have boyfriends, or because you want him to just come in your life and spoil you, and just, you know, like the reasonings must be right. You must want him for the right reason.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Everybody has time, you know. We all have our time. And destinies are different. I was destined to get married at the age of 27 or 25, while yours is at 35. It's still a marriage, which is okay. It's so fine. That's what I'm saying. It's not a competition.
Exactly.
Just be in your lane. Take your time, do your own things. Don't look at others. Don't compare yourself to anybody. Don't do that in your relationship. Don't tell your boyfriend that the other girls are getting flowers. Why don't you get me a flower? Okay, maybe you can
ladies.
Make it as a joke. That's what I'm saying. You need to understand your person. You must know your person. You should know the kind of a man you are dating. Some men don't believe in flowers. Ask him why he doesn't. If you don't understand it or you don't like it, move. Get yourself somebody who believes in flowers, since you're a flower person. But if you really want that person, you won't get mad because of a flower.
Exactly.
A flower that dies in a day. A flower that can cost 1,000 Namibian dollars but still die in the same day. I'm not saying it's okay. Get your flowers. Give your woman flowers if she loves flower. If I love chocolates, give me flower or chocolates. Don't give me flower. It's okay. I won't get mad. But if I do get mad, then I'm not the right person for you. Because I'm forcing you to be somebody
that
you're not. And it's still gonna affect us. What if you later on you say, the reason why I don't have money because I keep buying you flowers? Because he's not doing it from the heart. And gifts or presents are supposed to be from the heart. If you're giving somebody something, it must be from your heart.
Definitely.
But if you are doing it because your friends are doing it, or because she's demanding it, it's not okay. You are forcing your person to do things that he wasn't supposed to do, or he's not happy.
And all these things will lead to this relationship not lasting.
Yes. I think that's enough for today.
Hey, so guys, like we heard it from Kim.
I
love all the advices that she gave. Like I agree with you. Some things I didn't know, some things I mostly know, and it's like really sometimes we just tend to, we know the right things. But we just, I don't know, somehow it's like we want to like not get into reality. We want to ignore the right things.
But especially with this social media.
Social media. We want to live the life.
I believe when I had Facebook, me and my boyfriend, we blocked each other.
Really?
I don't advise people to be friends on social media.
If
you want to be, it's okay. But also, I don't advise people to be posting their relationship on social media. What do you guys do it? Or what do you think you need to keep updating people about your relationship? That's okay. It's okay. Some of you guys are public figures and all that. You need to. Your image is already there. We already know you as a couple, and we want maybe to see. We want to see.
We want to keep up.
Social media will destroy your life.
It's true, and I've seen it really does. And even where there was no problems, it's like other people just come and try and ruin this beautiful thing.
We'll talk about one day. How social media can affect your relationship. we will talk about it. But all I can say is that it will mess up your relationship somehow.
Definitely. Somehow.
It will.
Somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Thank you, Kimi.
You're welcome.
I'm so
Bye
excited.
guys, we love you.
We love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to
please.
Yeah, and share the video. And please,
somebody else they want to hear it, what we said or what we talked about.
Yes, and head over to Kimi's channel, please. Go and subscribe, watch her videos, and like and share as well.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay, bye.
Love you, bye bye.
Love you, bye.